run out of money late tonight if they do not pass a new funding bill. It will be a sunny but chilly Friday with temperatures hanging out in the mid-50s. Tomorrow will be beautiful, mid-60 temps. And Governor DeSantis says that Walgreens will begin vaccinating residents at long-term care facilities today, 3 days ahead of schedule. I'm Jeremy Ratliff.
Texting enrolls you into recurring automated text messages. Message and data rates may apply. Men over 40, is your body feeling soft and not as lean? Are you losing your energy, drive, or even your passion? If so, you could be feeling the loss of growth hormone. The reality is, as early as 25, your natural production of GH begins to significantly slow down, which means you start slowing down. Well, listen to this. New GH Boost from Nugenix is the world's first and only non-prescription supplement that safely supercharges your body's GH production at night when it naturally occurs. Clinical studies show the ingredients in GH Boost can increase your body's own GH levels more than 100% in just the first 90 minutes. And right now, Nugenix is letting every man in America try a complimentary 2-week sample by texting FIXER to 321-321 now. Get GH Boost and get your swagger back at the gym and in the bedroom. It's killing it at GNC, but you can only get your sample by texting FIXER to 321-321. That's FIXER to 321-321. Text FIXER to 321-321.
I just tried this wonderful, delicious Dynamite for cats. She is not scratching anymore. She's not chewing anymore. DINOBITE.com. I was thrilled when I heard Dynamite for cats come out. I've seen the cheeses and I thought, if you love your pets as much as I do, you want to do what's best for them to live long, healthy, happy lives.
Dynamite for life will be how happy your cat will be.
DINOBITE.com.
Mary's Bistro delivery business is bustling and ready to burst.
Orders 34, 35, and 36 are up. Who's handling these? Hello, Mary's Bistro, now delivering.
It's time to hire.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. The moment you sponsor a job on Indeed, you get a short list of quality candidates from our resume database. Indeed delivers 2.5 times more hires than the other branded job sites combined, according to Breezy HR 2019. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get a $75 credit for your first job post. Terms and conditions apply.
A message from President Donald Trump about the Senate runoff.
John Ossoff is a radical left-wing zealot who is very proud to be endorsed by Bernie Sanders, Crazy Bernie. Ossoff supports defunding the police, supports the crazy Green New Deal. He wants the total government takeover of health care. Ossoff also supports a crippling nationwide lockdown. Ossoff will be a complete tool for the radical left donors. We're trying to buy Georgia's Senate seats. Friends of mine say, we're not going to vote because we're angry about the presidential. But if you do that, the radical left wins. David Perdue has been one of the toughest fighters for America First agenda. You got to get out and vote.
Vote David Perdue. Early voting is December 14th through 31st. Election Day is January 5th.
I'm David Perdue, candidate for U.S. Senate, and I approve this message. Paid for by Perdue for Senate.
Sometimes in business, the unexpected comes calling. From rent increases to increased orders to, I'm going to say it, unprecedented times. But don't bounce back. Bounce forward. With Comcast Business. Bounce forward fast with internet speeds up to a gig. With the flexibility to update your bandwidth in just a few clicks. And with security solutions that help keep your connection.